Okay, so we are going to discuss about the module 12, that is array as a collection. Okay, so declaring and using array. An array is a group of variables that share the same name and data type used to store multiple values. So, example, if you understand with the example, so fixed array, first is fixed array. So, if I use this code to understand the what is array, so just give the name of the program, then dim score 1 to 5 as an integer, dim I as an integer, okay. Then for I equal to 1 to 5, okay. After that, score I into 10. So whatever the value stored under the I multiplied by 10. Next I, yes, next I. Then for I equal to 1 to 5, debug print score and I and score 1. Next I int sum. So this way we can use this. Let's see. Go to the Excel. Under this Excel sheet, I just stored this program. Go to the Visual Studio. Okay. Go to the fixed array. So same code I paste here. This code like this. So dim score 1 to 5, I assign this dim I as an integer. Then for I equal to 1 to 5, score I equal to 1 I into 10. Whatever the value of I, that is 1 to 5 multiplied by 10. And to print an immediate print, okay, no. So for I equal to 1 to 5, debug print score, it will print into the debug. This program is only for print into this window, not on in the sheet. I don't want to print on the sheet like this sheet. So whenever I run this, it will show here, just like similar to the VS Studio, which is used to run the Python code. Yeah, simply run this code. Okay, it's asking for which program. So program name is fixed array. See here, it's type score 1, score 2, score 3. Here I equal to score I and I into 10. So score 1 and multiplied by 10. So it's 10. Score 2 multiplied by 10. So 20. Score 3 multiplied by 10, 30. Similarly, it's print all the array from 1 to 5. Yeah, by using, if you want, you have to add the cell number and it will print into the cell. Yeah, this is to understand the code, so that just try just whatever the result you want, just it will show here. If it succeeds, then connect to the cell, any cell. Okay, so this is called the fixed array. After that, we have, so explanation on this fixed array is uh, this dim score 1 to 5 create an array of 5 integers. Loop are used to assign and print a value. So dynamic array with the ReDim. So when you don't know the number of element in advance, use a dynamic array. Okay. Use ReDim to resize the array at runtime. So dynamic array, here in dynamic array we don't know the number of element. We don't know in advance. So in that case, use dim array. So dynamic array example, dim student as a string, dim count as an integer, then dim I as an integer. Count equal to input box. It will open the input box. Enter the number of a student. Fine. Then redim. Here it doesn't define the number of a student. Just enter the student number. It doesn't define the 1 student, 2 student, or 10 student. Okay. There is no fixed here as per this code. No number of element in advance. We don't know the number of element here. Just simply enter the student number, redeem student 1 to count whatever start from 1, and as much as the student we give, it will take and as an input. Then for I equal to 1 to count means whatever the value we put under this input value, it will take up to that. Student I equal to input box, enter the name and I. Okay, next I debug.print. This code is to run this window. This, yeah, immediate window. Run the code into the immediate window. So this part is only for run the, yeah, give the result into the immediate window. This part. Debug print student. Yeah, for I want to count. Debug print student. I next, and this is. This much is for only this window to print the thing in this window. Okay. Now let's copy this code and paste into the this VS Studio. So it's a dynamic array. Let's see the same code here. Dim student as a string, dim count as integer, dim I as integer, input box where it's create an input box where we put the number of student. After that, give the name and then it's will print here. Let's see. I'm going to run this. Run here. Enter the number of student. The input box is open according to this code here. Count equal to input box. So whenever we run this code, this input box open here. Now enter the number of students. I write 3. Okay. Okay. Now enter student name. Let's suppose my name. Then somebody else like Sumit. Again, because we put 3 name, 3. That's why it's asking for 3. Somebody else like John. John. Okay. See this. We don't know the number of candidate, but it will print here 1, 2, 3 because we give 3 as a number of candidate. Let's run one more time. See, when I run this and dynamic array, here we don't know the number of candidate here. So we give how many candidate? Let's suppose 4. Now we will take the 4 candidate name. First my name Amit, then Sumit, then John, then Tom, like this. Enter here. So it will take the 4 candidate name. Yes. So until the 4.
This is for printing purpose. What is the purpose? When we can use this code?
See this. I'm going to show you the practical example. It will come later.
Yeah.
The actual example. Just try to understand the concept first.
Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. So reset to resize the array runtime. The size of array is decided during the execution. So whenever we run this program, the input box will appear, and whatever the value we put, that becomes the size of array. But we don't know the size of array in advance. But in first case, in this case we know the size 1 to 5 we know. But in this case we don't know the size. It will come whenever the program executed. Here, see. Yes. The size of the array is decided during the execution. So either 2 student, 5 student, 4 student. So that becomes the size. Okay. So ReDim change the array size dynamically. Preserve keyword, retain the old data. So ReDim preserve student want to count whatever the value we put from 1 to whatever the value we put into the input box. So we use when you want to expand the array and keep existing value. After that, using collection. Okay. So a collection is an object that store related items similar to a list. So if you don't know the Python program, so under the Python program we create a list and we can store under the list so many things. Let's suppose I write the word fruit like this. Okay. If I write fruit, so we have to store the data like this. Let's suppose apple. Let's suppose I'm going to store the number. Storing number 1, then 5, then 10, then 8. So this is called the list. Okay, we store the number under the list of which list? Fruit list. Okay, so yeah, this is called list. Now understand the. Okay, so collection is an object that stores related items similar to the list. It automatically resize and store mixed data type. Okay, example collection. Collection example. Let's see. So sub collection example dim fruit as a new collection. Okay, okay. So we are going to create a list by the name of fruit. Dim item as a variant, then add item. So fruit. So we define fruit as a list now. Fruit dot add apple. So apple will be add in a this list under the fruit list. Fruit add banana. So banana will be added in the fruit list. Add fruit dot add cherry. It also include into the fruit list. So print debug dot print fruit first fruit and fruit one. So this will print this part by using this.
I don't know because last 1 or 2 minutes I didn't hear you.
Now is it visible, audible?
This is audible. Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. So just simply we are going to create a list. So we give name of the list is fruit. Under this fruit list we are adding apple, banana, cherry. Now I am going to display the first fruit in a immediate window. So for immediate window we have to write debug.print first fruit and fruit 1. So whenever we write fruit 1 it will print the fruit 1 whatever under the list. Okay, in the immediate window. After that look through the collection for each item in a fruit. Debug.print item next item. So remove item fruit dot remove 2 whatever the position of 2 fruit it will delete it remove. Debug.print after removing second item for each item fruit debug.print it will print the other item other than 2 because we are removing the 2. Okay, let's copy this code and paste into the VS Studio. So collection, see the same code. So first, yes, yeah, this is our list. We have created a list, and what is the name of list? Fruit. Under the fruit list, we are adding these fruits: apple, banana, cherry, orange, mango. Okay, now debug.print print the first fruit. First fruit is apple. So first print this thing. After that, for each item in a fruit.print item, remove one. Whatever the item, remove the first item. No, I want to remove third item. Debug remove the third item and then print the other list. So third item is 1 2 3. Orange will be sorry 1 2 3. Cherry will be removed and other item will be printed here in this. Let's run this. See this first according to the first code apple banana cherry orange. Here first fruit by using this part first fruit is printed here. The apple is the first fruit. After this code for each item print that whatever the item contained in a list print here. So apple, banana, cherry, orange, mango, all the fruits in a list printed here. And using this I'm going to remove the third fruit. Okay, and then see this apple, banana, orange, mango. What is the third fruit? That is cherry. Cherry is not included here. Okay, so this is called the collection. How we make a collection? Collection is nothing but it's just like a list. Okay, so we get it. We create a list and then we do whatever you want to do. After that, we are using dictionary from a scripting library. So a dictionary is like a collection but with key value. Here we are collecting this directly the name of the fruits. But yeah, but in dictionary we can collect but with key value. Whatever we collect, we have to give key name. Just like Python dictionary. In Python dictionary, we use dictionary in same manner. Okay. So to use it, go to VBA editor tool, reference, check macro, soft scripting, runtime. Okay. Now let's go to this code. Sub dictionary method, dim dict as object, dim key as a variant. Set dict equal to create object scripting dot dictionary. So dict dot add Amit 50,000. Dict dot add Ravi 45,000. Dict dot add Priya 55,000. Access value. So debug dot print Amit salary. Amit salary. This will printed in a immediate window, and dict Amit, whatever the dict Amit. What is the salary of Amit? So it's 50. So I'm going to print dict Amit. So dict Amit. So it will print the this salary.
So dict is the name.
Dict is used to add this. Amit is the these things key value.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so we used to print these things by using the key value. So key value is the Amit here. Okay. After that, dict Amit 60,000. Now, first case it will print whatever the salary of Amit. After that, it will print 60,000. Here it's 50,000. By using this code, it will print 60,000. Change the value. Then look through a key. For each key in a dict.key, debug.print key, and earn and dict key. Next, check if key existing, dict.exit Ravi, then debug print Ravi found the dictionary. Let's see. So I'm going to copy this and paste into the immediate here, VBA Studio. Delete the old code. Okay. So dictionary. See this same code. So Amit is the key, and this is the value what we want to print. So similarly, all the dict as well as value. Now I want to print first thing debug.print Amit salary and dict Amit. So dict Amit, what is the value of dict Amit? 50,000. So when we run this code, first it print Amit salary, this thing Amit salary, and whatever the salary here, that is 50,000. After that, dict Amit equal to 60,000. So dict Amit is this, and its value is 50,000, but according to this line it will print 60,000. After that, for each key in a dict key, debug.print on and dict key. Before this integer value, we have to put earn. How much earning? This earning. Then check if key exists. If Ravi is existing in this list, then debug.print Ravi found in the dictionary. So this is the dictionary. We created dictionary. If Ravi is there, it will print Ravi found in the dictionary. Let's run this. See, by using this first debug.print Amit salary. So Amit's salary is 50,000. Here 50,000. After that, the second debug.print Amit salary dict. Okay, this is done. Dict Amit equal to 60,000. Here it's change. Amit earning is 60,000 by using this part. After that, for each key in a dict, debug.print on dict key. So here Amit on 60,000, Ravi on 45,000, Priya on for 55,000, and Ram like this. And by using the last word, if dict exists Ravi, if Ravi is existing in dictionary, then debug.print Ravi found in the dictionary. Here, Ravi found in the dictionary. So this is the dictionary. In the dictionary, we have to give key value to print something. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see. Okay. Dictionary are powerful for lookup, unique list, and fast data access. Now real life project employee salary manager. By using this concept, the fixed array, then ReDim array, after that collection and dictionary. We are going to create a real life project. Okay, so the name of real life project is employee salary manager. Okay, so I'm going to find manage employee data and name, department and salary using array, store initial record, collection, store new employee dynamically, dictionary, look up salaries quickly. Got? So there is a name and then it's print the salary. So let's see. So set up in Excel, open a new Excel file, rename sheet 1 as a employee data, and in row 1 type header as a employee, employee name, department and the salary. Let's see. First close this. So change the first sheet name, that is employee name, department and salary. Here employee name, department and the salary. Okay. After that, open VBA editor. Just open the VBA editor. Okay. Then insert module, paste the full code. Go to the this and go to the module. Insert a module here. Okay, and paste this entire code. Copy this code and paste here. So once we run this code, the name of program is employee salary manager. Okay. So if I want to run this code, see this. Go to the developer, then macro. So name of the program is employee salary manager, the first one. Is it? So run this. Once I run, enter the employee name in a check salary. Okay, I want to check the salary of the employee. Right click. Let's suppose I want to check my salary, Amit. Okay. So Amit's salary is 55,000. Again run the code. Here, enter the employee name. Let's suppose John. J, not small, J O H A J, John. John's salary is 50,000. Here, John. 50. It's fine. Okay,
But my
employee.
question is, why we have to do this? Our Excel is going to give much more quick answer on this case.
Yeah.
Why do you use VBA? Right? What is the benefit and competitive advantage of VBA over the normal Excel analysis?
See, this part is not so useful this time, but whenever you use this kind of code, let's suppose you want to create some project, and you will get this kind of concept in that project, then you can apply it. Here you are not able to understand the benefit. Uh, so because see, we have a software. Under the software, if you type like what is the salary of this, just simply type it and find it. So let's suppose you have a big data. Under the big data, if you want to find it, you can find it like this. So there is yeah,
If
see.
I go to VLOOKUP, if we go to VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, or pivot, it
Uh,
will give much quick answer.
yeah, that is also happen, but when you automate something, then it will help you. Whenever you want to automate something, then it will help you. See, yeah, just see, the VB has some limitation. Its limitation is it's only applicable for the repeating task. Okay.
So far, it is the 12th class. So far, out of 12th class, I only found the formula was very much useful.
Okay.
Rest, I think that our normal Excel, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, pivot is much more powerful.
Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. But whenever you have a lengthy repetitive work, then it will be useful.
Yeah, it's for some
Yeah, if you
some factory where basically different tasks is there.
let's suppose there is a HR in a company, and he has to send the email at least 100 employee or 200 employee, um, in a week or every day, like something like some event in a company. Let's suppose on every Saturday some event happen in a company, and they have to send the email in a bulk, yeah, in a second. So in that time you can use the VBA to send the bulk email in a seconds.
But that we did not learn yet, right?
Yeah, we did not learn yet, but it will come in the next class. Even if
Hopefully that can be useful because I remember when I was in India,
huh,
we had the workshop almost 2,000 participants.
hmm,
So we had to send the email.
hmm,
The person who was working had done something, but it was not VBA. Just some manually he was done something.
hmm,
It was not very helpful actually. But
hmm,
now you are telling, so probably if I can learn that, that can be helpful.
hmm. So whenever you get the repetitive task, and then you can apply the VBA, because VBA is only for the repetitive task. It will help you to yeah, it will help you whenever you get a repetitive task every day, day to day. Then you will understand the use of this.
All right.
Okay, okay. So this is one of the real life example. If you want to check the code, let's see. Go and check.
But we saw the code already.
You have already seen the code?
Yeah, we already saw the code.
Okay, okay. Hold on. Okay. See, the concept intelligence, concept purpose of the project is array, store the base data. After that, add new employee dynamically. We can add the new employee also. Yeah, yeah. Quick salary lookup. So we can quickly check the salary of the whatever the employee size, number of the employee in the, yeah. So we can quickly understand the size of salary of the employee. So that is the use of this project. This is a simple project. For an example, I am just giving a overview how to use this kind of concept. Okay, but whenever you get some real life, some example, practical example, then you understand the use of this part. Okay, so after that we have one more real life example. So we are going to create a professional grade Excel VBA project that actually use array, collection and dictionary, and this project is like sales performance dashboard automation. Okay, so we are going to build an Excel VBA automation tool that import sales data from Excel using array, group and summarize total by region, salesperson using dictionary, and then automatically generate top performing report using collection. Okay, okay. So business scenarios like, okay, so business scenarios like you are managing sales file with thousands of record like this. So the first column is date, second column is salesperson, third column is reason, then and fourth column is the amount. Okay. So calculate total sales by salesperson and the reason. Find top three performance and generate a summary report automatically on the new sheet. Fine. So by using this code, we are going to perform these three tasks. Okay. So what is the setup? Simple setup. Open a new Excel workbook. Create a sheet named sales data. Then add header as a, the A column as a date, B column as a salesperson name, C column as a region, and then amount. Let's do this first. Go to the Excel sheet, sales data. I just already given this sheet name sales data. Here sales data. Then give header as a date, salesperson, region, amount. So it's a date, salesperson, region, and amount. Okay. After that, add some sample data from 10 to 20 rows at least. So add, I have added 20 rows, 20 rows data from my side. Yeah, for a study purpose, I put this data. Okay. So let's, after that, go to the VBA editor, then module, then paste this full code, this code. Let's go to the module, developer, VBA module, module 2, module 2. So sales performance dashboard, this is the name of program, sales performance dashboard. And then dim ws, let's see this code here. Dim ws data as a worksheet. Okay, so ws report as a worksheet, then dim salary array as a variant result. See, this part I created by using the chat gpt, this use code. Let me first try to give you the idea what we are going to do here by using this code. So let's suppose we have a every day we get data like raw data like this. Okay. Okay. Whenever I download this data, I get raw data like this. Okay. Now I want to generate a report. Under that report, I want to create a new Excel workbook. Oh, sorry. Wait, wait, 1 minute. I want to calculate total sales by a salesperson and a region, and top three performer. In from this list, I want total sales by salesperson and the region. According to the salesperson, what is the sales? According to the region, what is the sales? And top three performer out of this person, who is the top three performer? And generate a summary report automatically on a new sheet. Okay. So yeah, let's go to the this macro. So salesperson performance dashboard. When I run this code, so sales dashboard generated, total record 20, unique salesperson 20, top performer Deepak Sinha. Let's go to the sheet. So sales report. What is the name of sales report? Okay, sales report. See, like this. So top three performer is this. It's highlighted in a bold letter, and it's give according to the region what is the sales, according to the salesperson what is the sales. Yeah, from this sheet we just created a report like this according to the region and according to the salesperson. So let's suppose if we have a use column, out of that use column, we can simply, if I use this kind of code, so it will automatically, whenever you run the macro, it will create the report like this, and you can simply give a format. Even you can do it automatically, the format also like this. Let's suppose you give it like this, the header should be like this, and top performer in some different color, and just send this report to the team. Okay, so it will not take so much time to analyze the data, copy and paste in a new sheet, again copy and paste. Yeah, yeah, see this. See, it's automatically sort the top three. Who is the top three? The salesperson who get the better report. Okay, so one of the simple example I have showing the use of array and the dictionary and the collection. Okay, so whenever if you check the code, if you want to check the code of this, so it's using all the things. Okay, so we can yeah, so we can easily generate this code by using the chat gpt and just use it like this. Okay, okay, let me show you one more example, then we can connect with this topic. So how it works, it's already explained. Output is like this, fine. So one more example, one more project I want to show you. The world version of the sales dashboard with user form. Here I'm going to use the user form to check these details and create the report. Okay, so you will build a sales dashboard tool that let you select a region from a drop down list or auto filter from the data, instantly view the salesperson plus total sales for that region, and click a button to generate a report. Okay, we are going to do these things. For that, let's create a user form. Go to the VBA, Visual Basic Editor, open a VBA, and then create a user form. like this. Go to the VBA here. VBA already we have a VBA. Go to the user form like this. Create a user form here. I already developed this user form. So name from sales dashboard. Caption sales dashboard. See, this is the name of user form here. This thing. And sales dashboard. Yeah, sales dashboard is the name of this user form here. Yeah, I give here like this. Okay, fine. Yeah, fine. After that, just create a user form like this. So combo box, list box, command button, label. Combo box. This is a combo box. Then text box. Then command button, and label. This is a label. And list box. This is a list box. Sorry, combo box. This is a combo box. This is a list box. Okay. Is this one? This one? No, drop down is this one. The list. List box.
The lower one is the text, no? Okay.
Just check it. No, don't worry.
But last time you told combo
No
box
worry.
is the
No
drop
worry.
down.
Text box. This is the text box. This one.
Yes, yeah, this is text box.
Text box.
And
Correct.
upper one is combo box.
Combo box. Correct. List box. Screen button. List box. This is the list box. Okay. Once you created the form, then the coding part. Let's move for the coding part. So add code behind the form. Double click user form and paste this code. Okay. Double click this form, or even you can do like this. View code, and this is the code we are pasting. Okay. Again, I take the help of ChatGPT and create this code like this and put into the user form. Big code, very big code. Okay, so I just put the entire code here. For each button, that is text box, combo box, the command button, and whatever we put here. So each thing explain here in this code. Okay, fine. So once we created this part, let's then add a shortcut macro so that we can open the user form.
Button or something.
No. So I created the user form, but you want to open if you want to use the open the user form. So for that part, we have to go to the Visual Studio, then like insert 1 minute view. No, not like this. And a simple one.
But you can create the control button also, no?
Yeah, we can create the button. Yeah, you are right. Just create. Yeah, put a button. Yeah. That also works. Just go to the this and put a button here, and just give this code behind this part. This part behind the button. It will automatically run. You can do that. That is also much better idea. And I just put into this into the module. So standard view module. Go to the module here. Third module. See this part. This part. So this part is only to open the user form. Which user form? This user form. Whatever we created here. So I put this code under this module 3. Now let me show you. So this is our data. Go to the macro and open sales dashboard. This is the name of open sales dashboard here. Okay, just run this. Run. So this user form we already created. If I click this, the drop down list come here. So so this is north, south, west, east. This part region part. So let's suppose I select the south region, and so this is the person who come under the south region. Okay, these persons. Even you can check with this. Okay, and generate report. So report generated for region south. Okay, close. Go to the report. Here, south region. These guys are under the south region. If you put a this um, filter and choose south, see this becomes similar. Same. Near, yeah, same. These things are same. Like this. Okay, now let me remove the filter. Similarly, if you want to check the report, this is the south area report. If you want to check the report for another region, so just simply go to the developer macro, open sales data, check for the east region or any other region, generate report. Okay, report generated for region east. East. These are the guys who come under the east. Salesperson and the total sales. So this is the use of actually VBA and these topics. The array, dictionary, and the collection. So these are the use of these topics. Array and the collection. So this is the module 12 and we have completed it. So basically the use of VBA is to complete the repetitive task. Then it will, yeah, then it will help you. Let's suppose you want to send an email to the repetitive times in a week or a per day, then it will help you. Yeah, to just click a button, all the email will be automatically sent to the 100 people. Yeah, if you want to generate a report every day by pulling some data and just you want to create a report in the same format every day, just make it automated by using the VBA. So click one button and you will get the report. If you want to copy the data, paste, there are so many projects. If you involve in that project, then you understand how you can use the VBA. But these are the basic concept. If you know the basic concept, you can apply it in any project. Okay. So that's all about the array and collection. Yeah. I will share the note of this class as well, entire video, whatever the video left for you. I'm going to share it today.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, no, I just lost your voice.
No, no. So I'm going to share all the videos as well as note of this class and just practice it and then we will see it. Some more topic are left for our course and then we will finish it.
Okay.
Okay. So shall I drop? Hmm.
We will meet on 9th of November.
Okay.
Next.
So shall I drop a message in a group that we have completed the course because their payment process is very lengthy.
No,
See,
I already gave you permission.
yeah, I know, but just
I know, but
yeah.
don't forget to complete because because
Don't
for
worry,
your
ma'am.
payment I can
Don't worry.
just go ahead.
Not, I'm not going
But
only. I'm going to complete this course. I'm always with you whenever you want something topic
yeah,
related to
no
VBA,
problem, no
related to the
problem.
Excel,
Okay,
related to the Power BI, related to the Python, related to the MS SQL, anything, anything. I'm ready here. You can ask me.
no problem.
You can ask
Okay, no
anytime.
problem. You can
Even
go ahead because I already gave you permission that
yeah.
and
Because without your
you
permission
can
I am not able to drop the message like that we have completed the course. See, you will take 1 month and the ACT company will take at least more than 15 days.
why they have so much bureaucracy.
Yeah.
But just go ahead because this is so small amount of money, you should not wait it long.
Okay. Okay.
So go ahead and when I come back
Hmm.
in Geneva, then which is 9th of November, I'll be available to do
Okay.
that sometime.
And
Okay?
we have to fill the attendance sheet for entire class and and you have to check the all the attendance, whatever the date and the topic we have covered. You have to check and give a check
Just
mark.
feel
So, sir,
okay. I don't have time. Just feel because you have this
see, listen, listen,
You
listen.
just feel and just tell that it's done.
Okay, okay.
No
No,
problem.
but they will not
And
accept that. They will not accept.
probably for the next communication, I will not send message on this group
Okay, listen.
WhatsApp because otherwise the person will tell what is this lady is again asking me because they
Uh,
told the class is completed.
so,
So
I'm
I will say put your WhatsApp.
no problem. See, the ACT will give the permission to you as well as me only, the trainer and the candidates. Okay. There is two sections, a candidate section and a trainer section. So, whatever the permission given by ACT, only the people, let's suppose trainer can fill only the trainer section, and the candidate can fill their own section. Nobody can fill, let's suppose I am not able to fill your section.
Then I'm very busy, but I will tell them that I'm giving this
See,
link, I cannot sleep, and I give it my consent.
okay,
That
okay.
what is the basic
But
field by Amit instruction.
they will not accept that. You have to fill on the
I
attendance.
try because I'm traveling, no, so
No problem,
I
no
don't
problem.
think
Just feel it whenever you get the time.
yes.
Okay, but do it
Okay.
as much as faster because they will take lots of time to
What
process.
what
Ah,
you feel, then
okay,
probably I can yeah, yeah.
sure, sure then.
All
Okay,
right.
ma'am.
Okay. Awesome. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye bye.